Hello friends, Windrala from Orpan Design, Craft Adda, New Delhi. Today we have entered day 3 of Ik Mulakat. Absolutely beautiful day to start with. Happy Ram Navami to all of you over there. May Lord Rama bless you for all your health and happiness and prosperity in life. And so I just want to showcase a bit of some of the hand block and hand painted creations, because lot of people, I am not getting much time, so a lot of people are asking me for pictures of the sarees and blouses and the rest of the available products. So I'll just showcase a few of them today. So this is a Bengal cotton. This is a pure handloom Bengal cotton. We call it tangail. We call it tangail. With small jamdani buta in the body. So these these sarees are absolutely lovely wear in summer. Lovely wear. I mean, this is quite an ideal summer wear. See, small white woven buttas, the jamdani buttas. These are called the fly or the machi but, in Bengali fly. So that is the palla. That is the palla. Absolutely majestic palla with, see, the weave over there in the border weave. So it's basically a satin border, sea green and beige kind of a combination. So I have given a Ajrak inspired hand block on the palla, Ajrak inspired hand block on the palla, and on the body. So the upper half of the body has, it's not upper half basically, it is the block. This is the block I have given on the upper body, and that is the lower body. That is the lower border. So that's the upper border, and that's the lower border of the block. So it is, the whole sari is like this. There are small woven motifs in the sari. It seems to be little stiff now because it has starch, but once you wear it and once it is just been steam pressed, it will be softest fabric, I can vouch for it. So time, since ages, I mean, my mom is wearing, and all the Bengali women are wearing such tangails. It has a complete watercolor gray, water gray. It is completely a watercolor gray body. Absolutely stunning, completely stunning sari for summer. And this is the blouse I have teamed up, a sea green blouse. This is in silk cotton, plain silk cotton blouse. I have teamed up with this. So the price of the sari is 3650 plus shipping. So this is sari number 1. This is sari number 2. Sari number 2 is this. Again, similar block only, but the sari here is a little, little different color. It is sky blue. It is beautiful sky blue. It's majestic sky blue with this kind of a palla, this kind of a hand block palla. See, hand block palla. It's a teal green gray kind of a border. Sage green also, we can say towards sage green. So that's the upper border. That is the upper border of the sari. And the lower border also has this block. So the upper and the lower border has this block. Upper and the lower border has this block. Absolutely wonderful sari, and it is completely sky blue. The body is sky blue, and just one steam press, just one wash, the normal home wash. Absolutely, there is no dry cleaning or anything. You can just put it in the cold water. Just a normal home wash would also make it very soft, and just get it nicely ironed. That's all. This is the blouse I have teamed up. Khand fabric, Maharashtrian Khand fabric blouse. So that's the sari and the blouse. This sari is also priced at the same price, 3650 plus shipping. The other sari has, I recently developed a temple block. which is from the temple in Chitkul, 500-year-old temple, and that's the temple is most famous for the wood carvings, and it is 500 years old. So our heritage, I mean, our heritage craft is like, we are all inspired by the heritage craft, and we are because we had such a glorified and a luxurious past, I mean, in craft and art and craft. So that's why we are standing today, because the past was so rich. So this is the evidence. So what I'm trying to do through my brand is to just, highlight and to popularize the old craft of, and the designs, the carvings and all. So this is a temple block which has been just recently carved. See, all the saris are matching with my blouse. That's the best part. So I have given a hand block design like this. See this block, see this block, this one, how intricate. So this is the absolutely, so that's the that's what I have given in this, is that I have run this. Also has small buta, and this is absolute white, completely white, like white in color. So this has a lower border like this, and a madhyamani pad. Isko basic colloquial Bangla may we say pachapad, or this is also the madhyamani. So it runs from the middle and just go around like this, so it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And see, this is the lower border, so amazingly beautiful. And the blouse is steamed as like this, the plain silk blouse, cotton silk blouse. And this is 3650 plus shipping is the price. So this also will get completely nicely soft after you you can just put it this also around you. See how beautiful. And the lower border, a lovely another now this is from Telangana. You can actually see from the design, it's Telangana. See the design, these are all handloom, complete hand woven. There's the temple, the cut temples, very popular in south, either it's Maharashtra or Telangana, all these weaves. So that's the sari. I didn't do much to the body of the sari, only I have added a Vidarbha inspired temple block, Vidarbha inspired cut temple block. And the multicolored border, looks amazing. That's the palla, that is the palla, lovely palla. And the whole sari is just very stylish. Again, it is going with my blouse. I don't know what's happening, all the saris are matching with my blouse today. So that's the sari, and the whole sari has this border, up and down, this kind of a border. And the blouse piece, very pretty blouse piece actually. The blouse piece has this shading. This is the blouse. So that's the blouse piece. So this is the blouse piece of the sari. That is the palla of the sari, and the whole sari has this. So very gorgeous. I mean, very simple yet very nice. Lovely sari. So this is and the texture is also too good. I mean, complete handloom. There are tassels there. 5800, 5800 plus shipping. 5800 plus shipping. There are few majestic cottons from Nagpur weaving, hand woven. So these resemble chanderi. These resemble the cotton chanderis what we used to get earlier. Now they have generally stopped making this beautiful chanderis. So this sari has a get up like this. The front of the sari, the front half of the sari, the first half of the sari has this woven butas, this impression you are seeing from the back. Now this is the this block is coming on your pleats. So the front half is plain with this kind of hand block, border, and the palla is beautifully woven, These are all absolutely nice nice motifs, the hand woven motifs like this. This is the first part of the sari. The pleats will come from this block. So it is a lily. It is basically the lily plants, which you know, so which has this look. So this is the combination. This is the combination. This is the palla. This is the sari, and that's the pleats. Lovely green. It's lime green color, and this blouse in Seiko in silk by cotton ikat I have teamed up as the blouse. So actually I'm wearing the same color blouse. So this is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece with the sari. So it actually goes like this. Beautiful sari, and the price is for this sari 4500, 4500 plus shipping. 4500 plus shipping. A sunshine yellow Nagpur cotton, a sunshine yellow Nagpur cotton. Again a temple block from, I can share the original pictures of these blocks, whoever wants the original carving, the original temple carving from which the block has been picked up. So this block, see, there is a base, there is a body of the block also. So there are two colors, the block is having in two colors. So that's the palla, that is the palla. The palla has this woven motifs, so that the, this is the block design in the whole sari. Extremely beautiful, extremely attractive for this the season, for the summer season. Absolutely fantastic. See the whole sari, that's the whole sari, and lovely color. And the blouse, ye pakana blouse is ikat orange, in cotton ikat orange I have given. So this is the blouse. So this also is priced at 4250, 4250 plus shipping, 4250 plus shipping. See the pink color, short color. It's a little short pink color. Not peach, not pink, not onion. I don't know what it is, but it is mesmerizing. So what I have done is that the palla of the sari, sorry. The palla of the sari has a purple, it is little on the purplish, short color stripes. So I have given a lavender block like this, lavender color hand block like this, and with a green border. It is looking, see, it is looking what? Wow. So the whole sari has this hand block, and the whole sari has the weaving like this. I mean, when you drape this kind of saris, then you don't feel like even taking it out, and throughout the day you can work, you can do anything, and you can just be happy with this kind of saris. They are like one of the best handlooms our country actually thrives in, and we feel proud for these kind of. So I have given an ikat blouse with multicolored green and purple. So this goes with the sari. See how beautiful, when you drape the sari with this ikat blouse, how nice it will look. So this is the sari and the blouse, and the price of the sari is 4250, 4250, 4250 plus shipping. The fourth of this Nagpur cotton is like this. Again, it resembles that Telangana sari what I had shown you. So this is also a lime green color. Lime green color. Nagpur actually used to have earlier very beautiful, weaves and lovely cottons. Recently, this has been again, they are working on to revive and to restart with the things. So that is the one which is like this. Beautiful cotton. Again, this kind of buttas, this kind of what do you call it? I'm forgetting the name of the loom. Anyway, so that is the stripe border, and that is the beautiful Worli hand block. Beautiful Worli hand block I have given along with the border, all along with the border. And so this is the pleats. These are the pleats. The sari is like this, and the border has been done extremely precisely, very with great precision. And I have teamed up a Maharashtrian blouse piece only, khand fabric blouse piece with this. Akhand fabric blouse piece with the sari. So this is the sari and this is the blouse. See, beautiful. So this is also priced at the same price, I guess, 4250 plus shipping. 4250 plus shipping. A Tamil Nadu weave from Namakkal. Tamil Nadu weave from Namakkal. So these absolutely majestic sari. This majestic sari. These are called Rasipuram. These are called Rasipuram saris. Rasipuram. So this is like this. It's again a Worli palla. It's a Worli palla like this. Beautiful Worli palla, and the body is like this. So, and these people actually make Kanjivarams also from the Namakkal. So these are all Korvai technique temples. Korvai technique done by if I can show the closer look. So these are all done in Korvai. So these temples would come one side, and the whole sari is this, and that is the majestic palla. Absolutely wonderful. See, these are the temples. Which two lines I have left and the maroons I have given. So that is the whole sari. A Chhattisgarh blended with South Tamil Nadu. So completely majestic. Again, these sari have this has a little bit of more starch. You can always de-starch it after doing a steam press. I have teamed up a batik blouse where I have given this hand block print Worli. So this batik blouse, this is the blouse and the sari. This is the combination. Extremely beautiful. I mean, I can't tell you until unless you see it from your eyes. And this color is actually the haldi color, the kachi haldi color, this haldi color, and the natural dye haldi color which comes. So this is like this sari and the blouse. And the price is for this is 6,000 plus shipping. 6,000 plus shipping. हाँ पेंटिंग का भी दिखा दो. Another weave from Karnataka. This is a Karnataka handloom. This is a Karnataka handloom weave. This is a Karnataka handloom weave. See the zari weave on the palla. Now what I have done is that I have given this kind of a block print down, and since it's a broad border sari, so I have given this block print on the border. So I mean, any tall people can just carry it so well. Otherwise also, I'm not a tall person, but I can always carry it like this. See the sari. I mean, that is the upper border, and this is the lower border. And the palla has this beautiful woven lines, looking like a cotton kanjivaram, though it is not a cotton kanjivaram, but complete hand woven sari from Karnataka. And see this, so that's the pleats. That's the pleat part. So this is the pleat part. That's the pleat part like this. See the beautiful one. I mean, it's majestic. It's completely majestic. How the nicely hand block has been done, which is completely Ajrak inspired hand block. And so that is the sari. And the blouse piece actually is there in the sari. So it is in black color. So this is the blouse piece of the sari. So this has this border I have given. So you can put it on your back, and the other side, the borders will come like this. So that's the blouse piece. Oh, the sari pricing. The price is 3950 plus shipping. 3950 plus shipping. A fantastic cotton, fantastic handloom cotton from again Maharashtra. We call it Puneri cotton. So maybe it is woven in Nagpur only. So this has a hand block, a dull purple shade, a dull bluish purple shade of the sari. So that's the palla. Turquoise and turquoise and purple is the combination of the palla. These lines. And see the block looks like Meenakari work. So that's the sari. The whole sari has this. The whole front of the sari has this getup, and the back of the sari, the pleats will come from this polka dots, this minute polka dots. You know, this polka dots. See how beautiful, how beautiful. So this polka dots, and the blouse piece also runs from the polka dot only. So basically, the pleats will have, and the sari texture, the sari combination is like just too good. So Pune people definitely would love to go for such saris. So that's the palla, and that's the front drape, and that's the pleats. So the pleats are like this, from the polka dots, and the blouse also from the polka dots only. The blouse also from this. So it's basically the fabric is running completely. This sari is priced at 3900 plus shipping. 3900 plus shipping. Complete handloom woven. A majestic malkha for you. Though it's a heavy sari, malkha is an Andhra weave, Andhra Pradesh. So this is malkha is malmal by khadi. Actually, that is malkha. I mean cotton, normal cotton by khadi. The khadi is the hands charkha yarn cottons, and that's why the body is coarse and it is little heavy, the sari. So that's the palla. That is the palla. The palla lines are woven. The palla lines are woven. So these are woven lines. These are woven lines, and these are hand block lines. So these I have given a straight this horizontal line in the front of the sari. First half of the sari has this, and second half comes like this. So the pleats will have the standing lines. The pleats will have the standing lines. How much majestic the sari would look when you drape it. How much majestic the sari would look when you drape it. So that's the one. हैंड ब्लॉक का कुछ और है तो दिखा दो, बाकी वो उसका अलग करेंगे पेंटिंग का. So this is the sari. So that's the pleats, that is the palla, and that's the body. That is the body. That is the body. And I have malkhas generally don't have blouse pieces. So this is the blouse I have teamed up. So you can wear this blouse, you can take it as a complimentary with the sari, and then you can drape a blouse, a sleeveless blouse like mine, a plain lavender blouse or something. So it doesn't need a elaborate blouse actually. You can just have a simple sleeveless or a with sleeve blouse, however is your choice. The price of this is 6800, 6800 plus shipping. 6800 plus shipping. Pure handloom malkha. Coming to my favorite weave, the Madurai cottons. The Madurai cottons. Wine with green combination. Wine with lovely green combination. Wine color with lovely green combination. See the palla. See the palla. It's a Kalamkari inspired hand block. Kalamkari inspired hand block. This is the Anna Pakshi. What I have done is that the Anna Pakshi on the border has been just recreated on the body like this. So the lower border has this kind of things. The lower border basically has this border weave and this kind of Anna Pakshi going. Rich sarees, rich, absolutely rich. There is no question on anything. So that's the body. The whole body has this kind of lines going. There is no more somewhere, less somewhere. No, I mean there is no less. They are all proportionate basically. So that's the whole sari. That is the whole sari. See the design, the smartness, and the this sari has a blouse piece in silk by cotton. So I have given this kind of a block with the blouse. The blouse looks like this, mesmerizing. This is a back, the Anna Pakshi on your back, and these are the sleeve borders. These are this side. The sleeve borders will come like this. So it's a very pretty sari, and in any occasion, absolutely the marriage occasion also, at the time in the morning or sometimes in the evening, some lighter, not exactly on the wedding day, but you can always wear this. See how beautiful is the sari. So the price of the sari is 3550, 3500, 3550 plus shipping. Amazing. Another green, that is the green. Again, this is a temple block. Again, this is a temple block. and that temple, the Chitkul temple block, and the whole sari has this Annapakshi border. And so these blocks in the vertical lines, they would just run like this. They would just run like this. So there are two colors mentioned in the block. One is green and one is gold. So the whole sari has this kind of a layout, green and gold. The achal is this, pallu is this, remarkably done. And so the whole sari has this getup, no less, no more, complete same distribution of the the vertical lines in the whole sari. The blouse of this sari is this. Blouse of the sari has this combination. So this is the block in the sleeves as well as in the back. See, it is looking like as if patthar ka kaam engraved on the stones. See, this is looking like engraved on stones. I mean, वो पत्थर का काम होता है, वैसा block लग रहा है. See the block, 3D effect. The block is giving a 3D effect. So that is the combination of the sari, and the sari is priced at 3550 plus shipping. 3550 plus shipping. See this. What would you say about this? It's a complete lovely, lovely handloom cotton fabric, with shibori and this block. This block will come on your shoulder. That's the palla, that is the palla, shoulder, and the whole sari has this block up and down. This block is on your upper border, this block is on your lower border. So that's the combination of the upper border and the lower border. And that is the palla, shibori, full tie-dyed, hand tie-dyed, full body shibori, full body, and various patterns in shibori. Extremely beautiful. And the block print, if you are contemplating that why I have given that color of the block print like this, so it matches with this natural dye ajrak blouse piece. This is a natural dye ajrak blouse piece, and with which this sari is matched. So can you imagine the look, final look? That is the sari and the blouse. Big effort to make these kind of shibori patterns, because they are completely, first of all, they are just through the needle, through the help of the machine. Actually, the full sari is being stitched in these patterns and then dyed, and the opening the threads when it is wet, when the saris are wet, opening the threads, absolutely, I tell you, 10 to 12% or more than that actually are the damage cases. So it is a laborious work, and it is a very difficult, painstaking work to do the whole thing. And a handkerchief is such a problem, so you can imagine a whole 6-meter sari would be what to do such a pattern. So that's the one. And the sari and the blouse is priced at 5800 plus shipping. 5800 plus shipping. So that's the one. So with this, I think I'm closing off with the hand blocks, though there are many more, but I'm just closing this video with that. So we'll get back with a new video soon.